The only issue that two people don't score. What do we see? Who else?
It's iPhone 13 or iPhone 14?
13.
iPhone 13. Okay. Did you drop it in water or it just the
Nah,
screen is broken?
this screen is broken.
Okay.
You don't want to fix that last screen.
Okay, I got it. It will be $99, okay?
How much?
$99.
Last time it was like 90, wasn't it?
No, 99, and then I guess our regular price is 120, but if I did 99 then I give you discount. Do you need a screen protector after fixing it? Okay. There are a lot of dirt in your camera.
What happened?
A lot of dirt in your camera.
You said dots?
Yeah, dust. Is your camera clear?
It's not clear.
Yeah.
My screen is cracked.
I'm cleaning it for you.